Every morning, millions of gallons of orange juice arrive on grocery store shelves, perfectly fresh, bursting with flavor, and ready to be enjoyed. But have you ever stopped to think about what it takes to get that juice from the orchards to your glass? The process is far more complex than it seems at first glance, involving an intricate combination of cutting-edge technology, carefully refined techniques, and the dedicated labor of thousands of workers. Behind each bottle of orange juice lies an incredible story of precision, innovation, and hard work. It's not just about picking oranges and squeezing them into juice. Every step, from the way the fruit is harvested to the high-tech bottling process, is designed to ensure that the final product is of the highest quality. Today, we're taking you on a deep dive into the mesmerizing journey of orange juice, following it from the lush, sunlit groves where the oranges grow, through the extensive factory processing that prepares them for sale, and finally onto the store shelves where consumers pick up their favorite morning beverage. Stay with us as we uncover the fascinating details behind this everyday product. Orange juice is more than just a drink. It's the result of a long and carefully managed process that combines nature, science, and industry in a way that few people ever stop to consider. The history of orange juice is as rich and vibrant as its taste. The practice of extracting juice from oranges dates back centuries, possibly even to the ancient civilizations that first cultivated citrus fruits. Oranges have been grown for thousands of years, with records indicating that citrus trees were already being farmed in China and India as early as 4,000 years ago. Traders helped spread citrus cultivation to different parts of the world, including the Mediterranean region, where oranges became a prize fruit for their refreshing taste and health benefits. However, while people have been drinking orange juice for centuries, it wasn't always as convenient as it is today. In the past, the only way to enjoy orange juice was to squeeze it fresh, making it a seasonal treat that was only available when oranges were in season. It wasn't until the 20th century that orange juice became a year-round household staple, thanks to major advancements in food preservation. The introduction of pasteurization and freezing techniques changed everything, making it possible to store and transport orange juice over long distances without it spoiling. During World War II, the US government played a significant role in popularizing orange juice. To ensure that soldiers had access to essential vitamins, the military encouraged the production of orange juice concentrate, a version of juice that could be stored for long periods and easily reconstituted with water. This innovation not only helped soldiers stay healthy, but also introduced millions of Americans to the idea of having orange juice as a daily beverage. Today, orange juice comes in different forms, including fresh squeezed, pasteurized, and frozen concentrate. Fresh squeezed orange juice is considered the most natural and flavorful option since it contains no additives or preservatives. However, because it has a shorter shelf life, it's less common in grocery stores compared to pasteurized varieties, which undergo a heat treatment process to kill bacteria and extend their longevity. While pasteurization slightly alters the taste and nutrient content, it makes orange juice more accessible and convenient for everyday consumption. The journey of orange juice starts long before it reaches the factory. It begins in the sprawling orange groves, where trees are carefully cultivated under ideal conditions. Producing high-quality oranges takes patience, expertise, and the right environmental factors. Oranges thrive in warm, sunny climates, making states like Florida and California the perfect locations for large-scale orange production. The combination of fertile soil, ample sunlight, and just the right amount of rainfall allows citrus trees to flourish, producing fruit with the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Orange trees require years of growth before they start producing fruit, and even once they mature, they need careful maintenance to ensure optimal yields. Farmers monitor soil conditions, prune the trees, and protect them from pests and diseases to maximize fruit quality. By early November, the trees are laden with ripe, brightly colored oranges, ready for harvest. The timing of the harvest is crucial. Picking the oranges too early results in a lower sugar content, while waiting too long can cause the fruit to become overripe and lose its ideal flavor. Surprisingly, despite advancements in agricultural technology, harvesting oranges is still a labor-intensive process. Workers carefully pick each orange by hand to prevent bruising, as damaged fruit can negatively impact juice quality. They use specially designed lightweight collection bags that minimize pressure on the fruit, ensuring that the oranges remain in pristine condition as they make their way to the factory. Not all oranges are suitable for juicing. Certain varieties, such as the Hamlin orange, are preferred for their high juice yield and ideal flavor profile. Interestingly, these oranges are often harvested while their skins are still green. Unlike many other fruits, an orange's skin color doesn't necessarily indicate ripeness. The internal sugar content and acidity levels are far more important factors in determining whether the fruit is ready for juicing. Once the oranges arrive at the processing plant, They undergo a thorough sorting process. Workers carefully inspect each piece of fruit, discarding any that show signs of damage or decay. Even small tears or punctures in the skin can lead to unwanted flavors in the juice, so quality control is a top priority. However, minor blemishes or surface imperfections don't affect the juice's taste, so these oranges continue through the process. The next step is washing. Oranges move along a conveyor belt, where they are sprayed with soapy water and scrubbed by rotating nylon brushes. This removes dirt, dust, and any debris collected from the orchard. A second rinse cycle ensures that all soap residue is completely washed away. After washing, the oranges pass under high-powered fans that dry them thoroughly. This step prevents excess moisture from diluting the juice and prepares the fruit for final inspection before juicing. A second set of soft bristle brushes buffs the fruit, ensuring that every orange is clean and ready for processing. Once the oranges are fully prepared, they move into the juicing machines. These high-efficiency machines are designed to process whole oranges without the need for slicing. Inside the machine, sharp metal teeth puncture each orange and separate the peel, allowing for maximum juice extraction. The seeds, membranes, and pulp are removed, leaving behind only pure, freshly squeezed juice. The extracted juice flows into large vats, where it is filtered to adjust pulp levels. Some consumers prefer a smooth juice, while others enjoy a bit of texture, so manufacturers use adjustable screens to customize the final product. Once filtered, the juice is bottled immediately, often in specially designed plastic containers that expand slightly to accommodate natural fermentation gases. Since fresh juice isn't pasteurized, it can develop pressure inside the bottle, and these flexible containers help prevent bursting while keeping the juice fresh. Instead of using heat treatment, fresh juice is chilled right away to preserve its natural flavor and color. After bottling, the juice is stored in refrigerated units until it's ready for shipping. Fresh juice may not last as long as pasteurized varieties, but its rich, unaltered flavor makes it worth the shorter shelf life. Each bottle is then transported to grocery stores, ready to be enjoyed by consumers looking for a refreshing, all-natural taste. So the next time you pour yourself a glass of orange juice, take a moment to appreciate the long and intricate journey it has taken, from sun-kissed orchards to state-of-the-art factories, all to bring you the freshest taste possible.